Hello everyone, this is a review of customer number 851. So this is the MacBook Pro model 2159 A2159. So customer sent us to fix the audio jack. So there's something went inside the this hole and it's stuck inside, and customer not able to use this port, audio jack port. So we managed to replace the new port for the customer, and then there it is. Now it's done, and customer able to use it very well. So thank you for watching the video. If you have the same case, you want to fix it, feel free to contact us at this manager service at any branch. Thank you. Bye bye.